GMR Shopping Mall grand opening on 10th September in Miapur.
ఫస్ట్ ప్రపోజల్ అక్కడి నుంచి వచ్చిందా మీ సైడ్ నుంచి ప్రపోజల్ వెళ్ళిందా?
ప్రపోజల్ ఎలా ఐ డోంట్ రిమెంబర్ హూ ప్రపోజ్డ్ హూ, బట్ we just started chatting. We liked, there was flirting, and the next thing you know, we are in a relationship. I don't even remember actually. It's 2006 that I fell in love for the first time, because school.
I think that is your first relationship.
Because స్కూల్లో నేను చాలా హెల్దీ, కానీ ఫిల్మ్ ఇండస్ట్రీ, వీ వర్ వెరీ ఫార్ ఫ్రమ్ ద ఫిల్మ్ ఇండస్ట్రీ. సో చదివి అండ్ యూ ఈట్ అండ్ స్టడీ అంతే. సో బికాస్ మై ఫాదర్ వాంటెడ్ మీ టు టేక్ అప్ ఎ జాబ్. సో ఐ వాజ్ అ healthy girl. In school, there were other boys who would tell me, అమ్మాయి నంబర్ నాకు కావాలి, నేను ఒక సమోసా ఇస్తా మీకు, ప్లీజ్ గో గెట్ దట్ నంబర్. సో ఐ వాజ్ ది నంబర్, గెట్ మీ దిస్ వన్స్ నంబర్, దట్ వన్ నంబర్. సో that was the first person I dated. It was a bad relationship, but yeah.
It's very tough actually.
And nowadays
ఆ టైంలో పేరెంట్స్ సపోర్ట్ ఎలా ఉండేది? చాలా అంటే రిలేషన్షిప్ ఈజ్ యువర్స్ పర్సనల్, బట్ స్ట్రగుల్ ఫ్యామిలీ కూడా. మదర్ అండ్ ఫాదర్ ఆల్సో స్ట్రగుల్ ఇన్ దిస్ ఎంటైర్ పీరియడ్. సో మీరు ఎలా రియాక్ట్ అయ్యేవారు ఆ టైంలో?
I don't know what to say, because my father, like I said, is in the army. Because of me, my parents, both my mom and dad, they've seen courts, they've seen police station in their entire life. Nobody in my family has seen that. Because of the second incident that happened, they also, because people say, oh, she must have done something wrong. That's what people talk, kada. Amai 100% ఏదైనా తప్పు చేసింది, that's why this happened with her. She was with this man. Also, they have this victim shaming mentality. People in India, or I'll say in the world, they have this. When a girl says something bad happened, this man did wrong to me, they don't blame the man. Oh, she must have done something. That is, I don't know when that will change. But I feel very proud of Priyanka Chopra and all these women who are the flag bearers. They're speaking for women, changing the world for us. So, and the second incident that happened, that
అసలు సెకండ్ ఇన్సిడెంట్, ఒక బాయ్ జైలుకి వెళ్ళారు అంటే ఒక మీనింగ్ ఉంటుంది. ఒక ఫీమేల్ని జైలుకి తీసుకెళ్లాల్సిన అవసరం ఏమొచ్చింది? అసలు మీరు జైలుకి ఎందుకు వెళ్ళాల్సి వచ్చింది?
సో ఆ లవ్ బ్రేకప్ అయింది, నేను బయటకు వచ్చాను. అండ్ ఐ వాజ్ లైక్, ఓకే, ఇప్పుడు నాకు మళ్ళీ ఐ గాట్ టు వర్క్, బికాస్ అదే కేసెస్లో, పోలీస్లో అన్నీ, ఇఫ్ ఐ థింక్ ఐ విల్ గెట్ ఇన్ టు మేజర్ డిప్రెషన్. సో డిస్ట్రాక్షన్ కావాలి, నేను గెట్ బ్యాక్ టు వర్కింగ్. సో ఆ టైంలో నాకు ఒక ఆఫర్ వచ్చింది. హైదరాబాద్ నుంచి ఒక కోఆర్డినేటర్ ఉన్నారు, వాళ్ళు చెప్పారు, అదే యూఎస్లో ఒక ఈవెంట్ ఉంది, ఐ వాంట్ టు సెండ్ యూ. ఎస్, ఐ విల్ గో, ఐ వాంట్ టు వర్క్. అండ్ ఆ టైంలో యుఎస్ ఎంబసీ ఉంది ముంబైలో అండ్ చెన్నైలో, హైదరాబాద్లో లేదు. సో హీ సెడ్ దెర్ ఇస్ అ సర్టన్ డేట్, అదే వీసా అప్లై చేయడానికి చెన్నై వి వెంట్ ఆన్ ద సర్టన్ డేట్ దట్ హీ టుక్ ది అపాయింట్మెంట్. అక్కడ అండ్ హీ సెడ్, నేను ఒక అసిస్టెంట్ మీకు పంపించేస్తా, షీ విల్ టేక్ కేర్ ఆఫ్ యువర్ హెయిర్, మేకప్ అన్నీ, బికాజ్ యూర్ గోయింగ్ దేర్. I said fine, because also coming out of there, I want to help women. If I can make one difference to one woman, I'll be so happy. So that lady is a widow. She has 2 kids and widow, and he introduced me to her. I said okay. So when we went inside, ammaiki identity fake hai, passport fake hai, bank statement, bank account anni fake hai. And you and me are educated people. Memu kuda ఒక రియల్ అండ్ ఒక ఫేక్ పాస్పోర్ట్కి డిఫరెన్స్ మనకి తెలీదు. ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్, ఐ విల్ నాట్ చెక్ హర్ డాక్యుమెంట్స్. వై విల్ ఐ? నేను బిఫోర్ దిస్ ఐ ట్రావెల్ ఫర్ షూట్స్. సో నా మేకప్ మ్యాన్కి, హెయిర్ డ్రెస్సర్కి నేను పాస్పోర్ట్ ఎవరు చెక్ చేయలేదు. ఈ టైంలో కూడా ఐ నెవర్ చెక్డ్ హర్ డాక్యుమెంట్స్, ఈవెన్ ఇఫ్ ఐ వుడ్ హ్యావ్ చెక్డ్. ఓకే, how can I tell? How can you, me, anybody tell the difference between a real and a fake passport? So all her documents were fake. Then later they arrested us. Later on, we came to know, no, inside only we came to know the invite they gave me was fake. The invite they gave her, the same invite was given to both of us. That is fake. Later on, we came to know there was no event. That event was only fake. So I don't know why, like this. Chalo, I fell in love with someone, వాళ్ళు correct person లేదు, and domestic violence happened. I understand that was a choice I made to be there and to leave at a certain point. It was my choice. This incident was just not required, and I'm telling you, like you said, for a girl from an army background whose parents, I'm the only daughter,
True.
to land up into jail because an invite is the simplest thing. Nenu, if I want to go to US, I can go as a tourist, and I know enough people. Okay, invite please naku, genuine invite I can get, no problem. Embassy kuda, if me document sariga ledu, they will say rejected. They don't arrest you. But ఎందుకు ఎలా అయింది నాకు తెలీదు. అండ్ ఆ టైంలో అన్ని న్యూస్ పేపర్స్, దే వర్ అగేన్స్ట్. దే రోట్ వాట్ వాజ్ సెల్లింగ్, విచ్ వాజ్ అ స్కూప్, విచ్ వాజ్ హాట్ సెల్లింగ్ హెడ్లైన్స్. ఆ అమ్మాయి ఇలా ఉంటుంది, ఆ అమ్మాయి తప్పు చేసింది. దే ఓన్లీ రోట్ షిట్. And I remember when I came out of jail, there was one TV9, Mr. Dinkar, only one journalist, who came to me and said, "Madam, what is your story?" And I started crying. I said, "You realize I have worked so hard during this time. I have given my best to this industry. But when it came to me being in problem, to tell the people the truth, only one person is coming. Nobody else is contacting me. Nobody wants to know. They only want to sell headlines." Then I gave up. I said, okay, if it is running their kitchen, if it's getting them salary, no problem. I'm doing something good. I'm doing charity indirectly. Nobody cares about the truth. So, live your life. దాని తర్వాత నాకు ఆఫర్స్ తగ్గించి, I mean, it just stopped coming from here. And my struggle in Hindi started. I struggled. There came a point when I told my mama, girls ki oka ma andariki mind lo fix undi ki girls ki 18 to 25 30 maximum ki career aipotundi. So I said, "Mama, I think that time has come for me. I don't want to go for audition. I don't want to do anything because it's not happening." She said, "Why are you worrying? We are there. You have one work. Okay? You don't have education to fall back because only 10+2. Then I got busy. You don't have education to fall back. We don't have any other children to support. Only you are there. We are there now. You go for audition. Keep trying." That's all I did. So I believe the master script writer sitting up there, he put me through hot soup. The green tea, the hot water low, you have to put the green tea for the flavor to come. And whatever strength, like I was not a strong kid, I was very protected. So whatever struggle I went through, that made me strong. And jail lo, I met such wonderful people. So na love affair lo, the person I'm staying with was like a jail, because anytime you would get punched, you would get boxed, you would get kicked. Jail lo, where reform kosam they beat you up, and that's what we have seen in TV. I met lovely people who are inside not because వాళ్ళు తప్పు చేశారు, but because they trusted the wrong people. So most, I feel ki, okay, it is, karma, what takes you in, maybe some past life thing that you're serving now. You have to go through it. But every person who goes to jail is not a criminal. Sometimes it's just they trusted the wrong people, because a criminal knows నేను ఈ తప్పు చేస్తున్నాను, so ఆ problems నాకు can come, and వాళ్ళు he takes care of all those problems, all loopholes, all legal. That's why they go to jail. Yes, someday they will go to jail, but not necessary they will go to jail. It is the innocent people more so that who land up, because they're saying we are not doing anything wrong, nothing will happen to us.
How many days?
1 week.
1 week.
It was first when I entered.
Big stardom, and a lot of films you done in Telugu and
Yes.
Hindi. బట్ ఒక కైండ్ ఆఫ్ డిప్రెషన్ స్టార్ట్ అయిపోతుంది ఒక ఫీమేల్కి. అంటే ఒక కైండ్ ఆఫ్ లగ్జరీ లైఫ్ చూసి, ఒక మంచి సెలబ్రిటీ హోదాను చూసి, అండ్ ఫ్యామిలీ చూసేటప్పటికి ఆర్మీ బ్యాక్గ్రౌండ్, కంప్లీట్ డిసిప్లిన్ బ్యాక్గ్రౌండ్. సో ఆ టైంలో అంటే ఫాదర్ మదర్ కోసం వాట్ యు థింక్ ఇన్సైడ్ ఆఫ్ జైల్?
I was scared because I think my father, he will, because my father comes from a village, okay, in Haryana. There they say if you have a daughter, I mean, okay, have a son, have a son, have a son. So నేను born అయినప్పుడు my father, he distributed laddus because he said no, she's my son, she's my daughter. Sorry. So when I think about that, I have a lot to do to make him proud of me. But so jail, I could not speak to my father. I said I can't do it because I can't look him in the eyes. Also, when I came out of jail, I could not look at people in the eyes and talk because I'm thinking, they are thinking, oh, she must have done something wrong. Because they've read in the papers. Everyone has read the 100 papers. That one correct news nobody has read. So it was very, very tough to come out of that. My mom was very strong. She said, can you change it? No, you have to go through this. If I could switch places, I would switch places, but we can't, right? You think this is an extra experience in life. How many girls, how many friends you know who've gone to jail? No, no. I have also not gone to jail. You are getting one experience more than me. Go. Think it is an experience. Think it is, you have to go through it. So, you know, don't think about the outside world. I stopped reading papers. I don't have any paper coming home because I stopped believing that what is written is true. And I believe that there are good people all around you. Don't believe positions, how much money a person has, how people pretend, right? And sometimes simplest of people, simplest of gestures leave a mark in your heart. And yeah, that's it.
Hats off.